Hey, you guys ready for new product? This is 3D print resin by Funcrecol. We're gonna try this out, so stay tuned. Hey, I'm trying out something new. It's made by Funcrecol. This is a new company that's new to me. I don't know how long they've been out, but they reached out to me a few months back, and I missed the email. I try to check everything, but I don't always see everything in my traffic. But I'm glad that I was combing through my emails and checked with these guys and hit them back as soon as I saw it. They hit me up in December, and I found them last month. So better late than never. So this is Funcrecol, and I have the skin matte finish, and this is what I asked for. They asked me what I would like to try, and I went and checked out their stuff, and this is what I got. I'll show you a little bit closer in a few minutes, but yeah, this is awesome. Everything fits together. Boom. No shrinkage. I'm sure that's what people want to know the most. And I got a piece of, there we go. See what Wesley looks like on there. Boom. Looking pretty good. Can't wait to paint them. Man, might as well. I'm doing too much. I want to put that sword on them, but that's too much. All right, stay tuned. After downloading from Wicked 3D, I hook them up in G2 box and get them rendered and get them ready to be printed on a 3D printer. Now we are going into the 3D printer on my Uniformation G2K, and look how smooth that is. It's like milk. All right, let's set them up. I'm gonna choose our file. Boom. Now the wait process. And a few hours later, got the bat hanging upside down. Let's turn them right side up. All right, we got Blade. Check him out. Okay, so here are my results from this test. And as you can see, the detail on Blade is pretty good. He looks just like Wesley Snipes. Can't wait to paint it. This is some great resin. All of them pretty much look the same. Not much support material left behind. And whatever support is left behind, I could take care of that. But yeah, the texture of this, it's like a matte texture. It's not glossy at all. I really like this. Glad I had the opportunity to try this out. Now this is printed solid right here. This is a nice piece. This almost makes me not want to paint it and just look at it the way it is. There's got to be something that I could print that would be nude to where I wouldn't paint it. Maybe maybe there's something out there, but this is, man, this is beautiful. Shout out to Funcrecol. And this was printed on my Uniformation GK2. I printed all the other parts on my Anycubic Photon M3 Max, and it doesn't have this kind of quality. But here's the bottle, and as you can see, it is for LCD, DLP, and just like the rest of them, they all work in Resin 3D printers. This comes in 1,000 grams, which is about the standard. I like this bottle in like 2,000 or 3,000. That would be awesome. And you know, tells you everything is dangerous on here, but if you've been doing this for a while, you know the dangers of 3D printing resin. But I didn't smell any odors on it. No pungent smells. The way it flows into the resin vat is pretty smooth. I like the logo and the design that they have. And if you want to check that, that's their information. But yeah, Funcrecol. So this is the second thing I got to try out from them. The other one was the putty, the light curing putty, and that stuff is pretty awesome. It worked out on my Juggernaut, and I think I'm gonna start using this company. I am gonna start using this company, and not because they sent me something, but because I really like this. This texture is wonderful. I mean, if there's something else to print with this, it'd be nice. I actually have a deal with one of my clients where I print dental equipment for her. Well, it's really Botox equipment, and something of this quality, it would definitely benefit us in that. So yeah, we're gonna be using this. Hey, so I hope you guys really like this video, and I hope you guys like this product that I tried out. And like I said, we're going to be ordering this from Amazon, and you can find them at Funcrecol. The link should be in the description, and we're going to do some nice stuff with this resin in the future. I can't wait. I can't wait to paint this blade. But stay tuned and subscribe. Hit the like button, hit the share button, go to their website. I'm sure you can find it, Funcrecol. You see it? All right. And we're going to do some nice stuff in the future. I got a lot of plans. So thank you for my subscribers. Thank you for my Patreons. Please hit my Patreon. Please hit my YouTube channel, my TikTok, my Instagram. I need 9 more subscribers on Instagram, or likes to hit 1,000 people on Instagram. And then hit me up on Facebook. And if you need something from me, some people have hit me up on here, and I really appreciate that. And I will definitely talk to you soon. All right, this is Sarge, and I'm saying peace out. Peace.